Yo, so Vinsanity here. Finally got my Banana Run Club jersey. Ayan, follow nyo sila sa Banana Run Club sa IG. Let's go. Gonna try this tomorrow. May takbo tayo bukas eh. Kaya, tara takbo with Banana Run Club. Yeah, as always, never matter. Run with me, Vinsanity. Let's go. Boom. So, eto na nga. Tatakbo na tayo. Debut run ng ating Banana Run Club. Let's go. Papalit lang tayo and then tatakbo na tayo. Let's get it. Bang! Banana Run Club. Debut run ng Banana Run Club. Sabi natin sila Tito Mikey. Kasi, sila Tito Mikey kasi nandun sa BGC. Nandun yung club na to. Hindi ako mapunta layo. Ito lang kaya. Yeah. Yo! VIP day 41 na tayo guys. By the way, may nandiyan na yung araw. Ayun o. Pasikat na. Tapos hindi pa talaga nila tinula yung One Piece Run. Ba't ganun? Sikat na yung araw. Ito yung humihigop ng lakas ko na nag-half marathon ako. Yun yung humihigop ng lakas ko guys. Anyways, LSD tayo for today. Kaya, let's get it, let's go. Truck. Yeah. 1K. Bali 1K pa lang kasi yung pa ako. Sumasakit na naman sa sapatos ko. Ito. Sumasakit na kaagad. 1K, many more to go. 4K. Let's go. 8K. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 10K. 10K, let's go. Konti pa, konti. 12K. Sobrang init guys. Sakit na ng utong ko. Ganito pala, totoo pala. Kailangan maglagay band-aid. Sakit. Konti pa. Boom. 16 km done. 16. Tapos din guys, bagong PR, 16 naman. 21 tapos natin, 16. Okay na din. Tapos na. Okay, ano yung outro guys. Wait lang. Antayin nyo to. Here's my banana. Yeah.
Wax on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty shit ain't nothing like me.
As always, why never matter. Run with me, Vinsanity. Let's go!
About to catch another fight. Apple bottom make 'em wanna bite.